Retch. What's these is? What these is? What these is? These some big old shrimp sissies. Come on. These some big old shrimp sissies. And I'm ready. Come on. We're gonna eat one of these shrimp sissies. Boy. You must really like me. Because ain't nobody never treated me this good. Come on, gangster. Come on. Y'all just mad. Y'all just mad because y'all man ain't like mine. Y'all just mad. Y'all mad. Y'all real mad. They real mad. And I already started eating. Yeah,
Oh, what you doing, Dad?
I started eating. Yeah,
Hold on, I gotta make this play real fast.
These the only shrimps and CSCs I've These the only shrimps and seeds I've had. These right here, these little shrimps and seeds. I ain't never had no I ain't never had no them big shrimps and seeds. Them big old shrimps and seeds. They crazy. I don't know where you got them from. Pie down the harbor. Open the door. Pie from down the harbor.
What?
Where you got them these big old shrimps and seeds is? Ooh, my wig. My wig. I was just telling them you probably got them big shrimps and seeds from down the harbor. Come on. Come on so I can try these big shrimps seeds. I'm gonna try a cucumber because he's taking too long. And this sauce.
Got scissors?
Yeah, I got scissors for me.
Right.
What I look like? Your mother? No. What's on my food? Always something on my food.
I ain't moving by the way.
Move what?
Right.
Because that's just that's my side.
What you doing, yeah?
He's on some He extra.
Geek. Come on, y'all move it like that.
I should have told you bring my lip gloss.
What you need lip gloss for?
What is that?
But it's what? You know what that is. You know I keep that up in my cup. Oh, I didn't waste it.
Boy.
Oh, yeah?
Boy, that stuff look blue. It's expired.
It's not expired. What's it supposed to look like?
Whatever. So, what's up, y'all?
What it is?
Today we got some big shrimp sauces, some medium-sized shrimp sauces, and some little shrimp sauces. He like me, y'all.
Cool, whatever. Go
I'm
love
ready to
bug.
try these medium-sized shrimp sauces. Like, they medium-sized shrimp sauces.
Go ahead. You got what you got back here? What's up?
We got this sauce right here from
Take sauce out of this, too.
It's WANNIE. Hey,
What
girl.
it is, Shorty? What's up, bud?
What's up, girl?
What's poppin', bud?
So,
You feel me?
we were eat her sauce with these shrimp sauces.
Okay.
These some
Fucking light, yo. What's up with it? Light, yo.
these some shrimp sauces from down the harbor over east.
Oh, yeah, over east. Yeah, Trenton. Yeah, Trenton. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
All Alright, I can put this up?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I'm put it on 3.
Why you always gotta bring that?
What you mean? Hold on, y'all. I gotta mix my stuff.
Baby tripping.
Hold on, y'all.
I like this shrimp.
I can't drink this straight, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I gotta hit it with that. Watch that. Oh.
Ugh.
That's that right there. Talking about that. Look at that right there. You're talking about that right there.
I know that's old.
Yeah,
That's
right
real old.
Yeah. That's that purple power. You know what I'm saying?
Purple. It is blue.
It's purple.
That is blue.
Yo, that's purple. Yo,
somebody got you for your money. Somebody got you for your money.
They better not got me my money. I don't pay that shit. Bless you. Turn your head. That's all. Oh. Turn your head that way next time, yeah.
Yo, stop playing with me, cause my father.
You don't care about your father. You get pistol whipped too.
He'll deal with you.
Deal with these. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm telling you. Stop playing with me like that. Let me try this king crab. Matter of fact, which one's the one on top?
That sauce is good.
It's cool. I ain't even
It's a little bit of spicy, cause it hit me.
Let me see what's
and then it got a little sweet in there. It's good. Like, it's real good.
Let me see what's really going on around here. Why you ain't fix the camera or nothing? You ain't did nothing. You just
ain't
sat
fixed the
straight
camera.
down.
You ain't fixed the camera. You was up trying to go get your little your blue juice and your little baby gun. Like you was worried about the wrong things. You wasn't worried about the camera.
Let me show you how big this gun is, yo. Stop playing, yo.
Y'all want straps to see?
Nah, they don't want no shrimp. You better not drop it. What are you doing? Why you ain't say turn light down?
Because what I look like
You bugging.
I got a pepper to eat with that. That's good.
Oh, yeah?
I'm ready to try one of these big shrimps to see.
There ain't no shrimp. That's king crab. You ain't never had that around there where you be at.
Yeah, I thought you probably got these from the hub, but that's why I told them. I was like, yeah, he got them from the hub.
I ain't go to no hub. Hub ain't even got these. Yeah, you see all that meat in there? What you know about that? You like that meat like that?
What you got? Where you get them from?
I went and took somebody else. What you mean where I get them
You
from?
ain't take nothing.
Stop playing with me like that. Disrespect my game.
Look, y'all. Look at this.
Come on
Big
now.
old shrimps this is. Yo.
You already know how I'm bumming. You already. You feel me?
What?
Stop playing. Yeah. What's wrong with you?
Look, y'all.
Oh, ghetto fabulous. I see you, girl. Go eat that up. You ain't got no nothing for the shells. Where's the lobster? Where's my lobster?
Those medium shrimps this is.
They small. What do you mean?
They medium shrimps this is.
All, then you left the juice on the lobster tail. It's all in my face and all that stuff. Shh. It's Wannie. You sure this? Listen, bro. This shit is right here. This right here is what it is.
These big shrimps this is.
Oh, blood. It's my mouth. Spicy, blood. Come on.
It do hit your throat a little bit.
Oh.
But it's real good, real good. Like,
I gotta hit this scissor up and this shit up. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
All right.
Gang, gang, gang. What? Stop playing with me.
It look old.
I talk about that trap you got in your head. Oh, dirty way. It's dusty as a mug.
And your B is fake on your face.
Big B, stop playing with me. You know
And
what it
fake.
is.
It's real fake.
Prove it.
If it's real, then my head is real.
What's real? That way you got on your face?
That wig. Oh, yeah.
You bugging.
If your B is real, then my wig real.
This big B stay real. It ain't never been folded.
Whatever.
It could never be wiped off. It could never go anywhere. Break this right here because we don't put these things like that.
You
What?
don't talk to me like that.
What?
That was a very actual question.
What? What you
A
want?
regular question. You real offensive. Like
Like what? Ask me a regular question. Ask me a regular question.
no.
Don't ask now. I don't give a damn.
Where you get these shrimp sauces from?
I told you I took somebody off. You know why I got them. Stop playing. Like, don't ask me these questions on camera.
You not.
I did what I had to do.
You did not.
You asked for shrimp and I went and got them. Don't worry about how I got them. Dang.
You did not.
That's the problem with y'all females now. Y'all don't know when to shut up and just eat.
You did not, because you're not even built like that.
You crazy. What you think I do? I wait this around and I get what I want.
You said what?
Both niggas say, I wait this around and I get what I want.
Face.
You cool. I ain't put my finger on the trigger.
I keep telling you.
Tell me what?
My father.
Oh. Your father don't even like you.
You don't even know who my father like now. My father don't know who my father like.
Right. Cause he a weirdo. What's wrong with you?
Ooh. Yeah.
Man, if I after this video, I'm gonna see your father.
You gonna do what?
See him.
How you gonna see him when I don't even see him? Who my father?
Don't worry about it.
Now.
I'm your new daddy.
You wish.
I'm your new daddy.
Now I be taking people off.
You like these shrimp though, don't you? You like that crab though, don't you? You like that though, don't you? Huh? Yeah, bet you do.
These shrimp sauces.
They don't give you this. They don't give you this with them people you hang with.
Who I hang with?
Nobody.
Who alright then.
Them little ratchet bum buckers.
Bum who?
Bun buckers.
I don't know who that is.
It's the ones that you run around with that bangs they be talking about.
You a hater. You a hater. And
your mammy.
And your drink is fake.
Yo, stop playing.
Somebody got you with the fake syrup.
What you want back on that? It's not fake.
Syrup. Why you eating like that?
Why you watching me eat? Yo, watch your tone, yo.
It's WANNIE sauce is good though.
Yeah. Blood, you did that.
Alright, because you be doing the most.
Doing what?
You be doing the most.
Ooh.
You.
Well, stop playing me, yo. What I just say? I'm not them. I'm not him. I'm not her. I'm not them ratchet people you be on the block with, yo. Come on, I'm trying to get you out of that mentality now. You gonna be a Ruby, you gonna be a Ruby. Chill out.
Who?
Listen, just worry about play your part, yo. Don't worry about nothing else.
What part?
Shutting up and eating your food.
I don't know who you talking to, but you're not talking to me.
Yo.
You not talking to me.
Stop playing me, yo.
You better stop playing with me. Cause you got the right one.
I got the right what?
One.
I got the right gun. You better stop playing with me.
You and your little baby pistols, they probably not even real.
Shh. You want to feel one, see if it's real?
You want to feel one, see if it's real?
Stop playing.
It's your fake B on your face.
It's a big B. I went to prison behind this B. You better stop playing
you
me.
went to prison behind.
You already.
You went to prison and came straight home. We know what you do.
You know I stays in.
Yo got the key. He got the key. Ain't that what
Yo, stop disrespecting me, yo. What you trying to say, yo?
Who say that, Rick Ross?
What you trying to say, yo?
He got the
what you trying to say, yo? What you saying? What you saying though?
Oh, that was Jay-Z.
What you saying though?
I said
what you saying though?
I said what I said.
What you saying though? Yo, what you saying though, yo?
I said what I said.
What you saying? What you saying? I'm trying to figure out what you saying.
Sip your syrup and calm yourself down. Do that. Sip your scissor.
What you saying, yo? Stop playing me, yo. What's wrong with you, yo? Stop playing me, yo. Stop playing me, yo. You know what's up with me on the game. You feel what I'm saying?
Only haters do that, and you got it on my wig.
It's bumped anyway.
It don't matter.
It's bumped anyway.
I'm ready to eat these shrimp sauces. I'm eating your money.
Yo, on hood, yo. Matter of fact, yo, move, yo.
Get up my crab.
On hood, yo. Nah, this video over. What you doing?
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is, yo.
Here, hater, look.
Yes, it is, yo. This video over with, yo.
What you ready? Pour water on me?
Nah. I'm just ready to drink me some water. But this video over with, yo. Done, yo.
You over there acting crazy. They can't even
stop playing me, yo.
Stop.
On hood, yo. What's wrong with you, yo? Stop playing with me, yo.
You won't buy me a whole
on
nother
hood,
wig.
this is what it is. You feel what I'm saying? Big B's. We don't play that around here. We don't play that around here. What's wrong with you? Stop playing with me like that. Yeah, that's what I thought. Oh, yeah, monkey.
Big B's that. Now.
Yo, what you doing, yo?
Big B's that.
Yo, what you doing, yo?
Look, y'all.
Hey, yo, what you doing, yo?
Bye.
It's a Glock to shoot underwater. Stop playing with me like that. Bang.
Y'all come get him, because he's a high.
I'm out of here, yo. Nah.
And I'm still.
You got me soaking wet, yo. This is a timeless bezel. What you doing?
Timeless is right. Look, y'all.
This video. Cut the video off, yeah. Cut the video off. Cut the video off. Cut it off. Cut the. Stop playing with me, yo. You already know what it is. I told you stop. We don't play that. You know what I'm saying? It ain't none of that yellow back and stuff. Ain't none of that talking. We don't do no talking. Who a hater? You got my shirt wet.
Oh, it's my skin.
Told you stop playing with me, yo. I'm not no game.
You know what?
Do I play games? I don't. Come on, yo. And you made me mess up. And you made me mess up my stuff, yo. Come on, yo. And you made me mess up my drink, yeah.
All right, y'all. We right go because he can.
Because what? What happened to your other nails? You want me talking all that
Don't
fancy
worry
stuff?
about it.
Little phony nail. You only got one nail.
You
should be digging out your nose with that one nail. Oh, my nose it. Scratch my nose.
I got the pinky nail for you because I'm a pimp. And I pimp you niggas.
Stop playing with me, yo.
I pimp you all.
Stop playing with me, yo.
Alright, so we'll be back with another video.
Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and share with everyone. Tell everybody, yo, stop playing with me, yo.
He keeps talking about stop playing with him.
Stop playing with me, yo. Real life, yo. Gang.